Hello, this is Gabriel Castro at exoticwoodpen.com. This is just a quick video using my iPhone. I'm going to just show you how I true up the ends of these blanks, some steampunk blanks for turning. So easiest way to do it that I found is just on the lathe, real simple. I've got a Jacob's chuck and a drill bit, and I'll show you a little. This is just a steampunk, Sierra steampunk. This slides exactly over the bit, and then I'm going to advance this forward to right before that touches on the lathe, and I got it hooked up to a vacuum attachment, so you'll hear it as soon as I turn this on. That's perfectly flat all the way around, so you just repeat the process to the other side and you're good to go. So without having to use too many tools, you can pretty much do all your pen turning, everything you need to do right on the end of your lathe. So just a simple way to get more out of your lathe, getting double duty out of your tools. Have a good day.